Are you ready to unlock a world of freelancing opportunities right at your fingertips? Welcome to How to Leverage Facebook for Freelancing Opportunities, your ultimate guide to turning the world's largest social media platform into a freelancing goldmine. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, virtual assistant, or digital marketer, Facebook is more than just a place to share memes. It's a powerful tool to build a thriving freelance career. Let's dive into the strategies that will help you land high-paying clients, grow your brand, and achieve financial freedom, all through Facebook. Buckle up because this is going to be a game changer. First, let's talk about why Facebook is a freelancer's dream. With over 3 billion monthly active users, it's a massive marketplace buzzing with potential clients. From small business owners to global brands, everyone's on Facebook, and they're looking for talent like you. But how do you stand out in this crowded digital space? It all starts with optimizing your profile to scream professional freelancer. Your Facebook profile is your digital business card. Use a high-quality professional headshot. Ditch the blurry selfies. Craft a bio that's clear, concise, and keyword-rich. For example, instead of saying, "I design stuff," say, "graphic designer specializing in branding and web design for small businesses." Keywords like freelance graphic designer, content writer, or social media manager make you discoverable when clients search. Add a call to action in your bio like "DM me for freelance inquiries," or link to your portfolio website. Pro tip: pin a post showcasing your best work or a glowing client testimonial to the top of your profile. First impressions matter. Now let's explore the heart of freelancing on Facebook. Groups. Facebook groups are where the magic happens. There are thousands of groups dedicated to freelancing, entrepreneurship, and niche industries. Search for groups like Freelance Writers Hub, Digital Nomads, or Small Business Owners Network. Use keywords like freelance jobs, remote work, or your specific niche to find active communities. Join 10 to 15 groups with engaged members, but don't just lurk, participate. Answer questions, share tips, and showcase your expertise. For example, if you're a copywriter, comment on a post about email marketing with a quick tip like, "Use action-oriented CTAs to boost click-through rates." This builds trust and positions you as an authority. Engaging in groups isn't just about visibility, it's about building relationships. Avoid spamming groups with "hire me" posts. That's a surefire way to get ignored. Instead, offer value. Share a free resource like a downloadable checklist or a quick tutorial video. When someone posts about needing a freelancer, slide into their DMs with a personalized pitch. Say something like, "Hi, name. I saw your post in group name about needing a website designer. I specialize in creating user-friendly websites for e-commerce brands. Here's a link to my portfolio. Let's chat." Personalization shows you're professional and serious about their needs. Next up, create a professional Facebook page for your freelance business. This is your digital storefront, so make it shine. Use a branded logo, a compelling cover photo, and a description packed with SEO-friendly keywords like freelance web developer, content creator for hire, or virtual assistant services. Post regularly. Think portfolio showcases, client testimonials, or behind-the-scenes looks at your process. For example, a video titled "How I Designed a Website That Doubled My Clients' Sales" can attract attention and demonstrate your skills. Use hashtags like #freelance designer or #hire a writer to boost discoverability. Schedule posts consistently, once or twice a week, to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. And don't forget to add a contact button linking to your email or booking calendar. Let's talk about Facebook Marketplace, an often overlooked gem for freelancers. Marketplace isn't just for selling old furniture, it's a hotspot for local businesses seeking services. Create a listing for your freelance offerings like professional video editing for small businesses or SEO-optimized blog writing. Include high-quality images of your work, a clear description, and a price range, or contact for quote. Use keywords like freelance services near me or local graphic designer to attract clients in your area. Respond promptly to inquiries and always follow up with a professional proposal. Marketplace is perfect for landing quick gigs and building local connections. Another powerful tool is Facebook ads. Yes, it requires a small investment, but it can yield massive returns. Create targeted ads to reach your ideal clients, say e-commerce brands needing product photography or startups looking for social media managers. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling copy, like boost your brand with professional graphic design, book now. Target specific demographics, such as small business owners in your niche or location. Start with a modest budget, like $10 a day, and track your results. Facebook's ad platform lets you refine your audience based on interests, behaviors, and even job titles. A well-crafted ad can land you clients who are ready to pay premium rates. Networking is key, so don't sleep on Facebook Live. Host live sessions to showcase your expertise. Think Q&A sessions, tutorials, or day in the life as a freelancer. For example, a live stream titled 5 Secrets to Writing Emails That Convert can attract potential clients while building your credibility. Promote your live sessions in relevant groups and on your page a few days in advance. Engage with viewers by answering their questions in real time, and always end with a call to action like DM me to discuss your project. Repurpose your live videos as reels or posts to maximize their reach. Consistency is your secret weapon. Post valuable content regularly, engage in groups daily, and follow up with leads promptly. Use tools like Canva to create stunning visuals or Buffer to schedule posts, keeping your workflow efficient. Track your progress. Note which groups or posts generate the most inquiries and double down on what works. Over time, you'll build a reputation as the go-to freelancer in your niche. But here's the real key to success: mindset. Freelancing on Facebook isn't just about tactics, it's about believing in your value. Charge what you're worth, deliver exceptional work, and don't be afraid to say no to lowball offers. Clients on Facebook are willing to pay top dollar for quality, so position yourself as a premium service provider. Keep learning too. Stay updated on Facebook's algorithm changes and new features to stay ahead of the curve. Let's wrap this up with a reality check. Building a freelancing empire takes effort, but Facebook makes it easier than ever. Start today. Optimize your profile, join groups, create a page, list on Marketplace, run ads, and go live. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and a career you love. The clients are out there waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and make Facebook your freelancing superpower. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. Tell us your top takeaway or your favorite freelancing tip. For more game-changing strategies to build a 7-figure income online, check out the links in the description. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and explore our other products designed to skyrocket your freelance success. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it happen. Click those links, take action, and let's build your empire together.